Okay, I really don't like making videos for best apps per month, but I'm working on something bigger in the background. And meanwhile, I have found some amazing 5 applications and 5 games which were recently launched. So here you go. First off, we have Subby. This is an amazing application to manage your monthly subscriptions. I know many people who literally forget what services they have bought on a rental basis and they miss to pay the subscription price. So here this app comes really handy. It has a list of way more services you're going to buy for your monthly subscription. You can set the price how much you have to pay each month. You can set whether it's weekly or monthly or maybe even yearly subscription, and you can get a notification for repaying it. So your services keep on working without any interruptions. My only little problem is that there is no cloud sync. So you have to make local backups on your inbuilt storage just so you don't lose the data of your subscription. I'm already a fan of this application because there is nothing like this on Play Store. I'm hoping you are old enough to remember the Snakes game on Nokia phones. This is a game called Snake on a String. It is also based on the same idea, so you have to guide the snake to the food it wants to have. The more food it eats, the longer it gets, and you have to make sure it doesn't bite on its own self, or that will be game over for you. There are plenty of chapters and all those chapters have plenty of levels with increasing difficulties. I'm sure it will keep you engaging as it did for me. Next up, Insta Captions. As the name suggests, this has all the types of captions which you can post according to your image. There are many people who always ask their friend to suggest some captions, and I'm also one of them, so there's no shame in that. But this app helps you in finding some really good captions. Once you find the caption you want to use, you can just tap on it and tap on a copy to clipboard. That's it. Just go to your Insta or Facebook where you want to use this caption and it just works. Next up is Balance the Bottle. It's a totally new concept. I really like the idea that you have to train your hands to be patient. It gets more difficult by each second that passes, and it may start raining or there is some bird you have to dodge. The key here is to be patient. Take a deep breath and I swear you can do it. There are plenty of other things to unlock to balance them on your fingers. This app is called Bucket and it is a minimalist goal tracking app. Suppose that you have to buy something really special for yourself and you're saving from long time, but you really don't know how far you have left to go. Go download this app and track the dream things that you want to buy. You really feel proud every time when you fill some portion of this bar. Have you ever heard of Field Runners? This is my favorite game on a mobile platform. There is just something I like about tower defense games. It forces you to come up with different strategies to cross the level. So what now? Field Runners have just launched a new game called Field Runners Attack. This has a very similar concept to Clash of Clans, and maybe some of you don't like that old school battlefields. Maybe you just want something new like guns, rocket launchers and tanks. I don't know about you, but I always loved Field Runners. Graphics are exactly what I expected, smooth gameplay, and there are tons of things to do in this game. My next application on this list is called Resplash. You may or may not know about this wallpaper application, and to best describe this app in one word is professional. There are thousands of professional looking images which you can use as wallpapers. These images are donated by professional photographers around the world for free on this app. And you can open this app and find one of the best looking high quality wallpapers. If you're after some special look for your home screen customization, it is a must-have application for wallpaper scouts around the world. Next up is Reverse Basket. Instead of putting the ball in the basket, you have to catch the ball. And the more quickly you can catch the ball, the better you can catch the next ball. That's it. My only quirk with this application is that you get ads after 2 games you play. But you can simply remove all those apps by hitting the back button. Maybe that's a bug, but it's a good bug actually. You may have seen many different icon packs, but this one is very cute and it's so different than others. You can see how clean the home screen looks right now with this icon pack. This icon pack is called Drops. Just a piece of advice to you guys, if you're going to use this icon pack, please make sure you turn off the app labels, else it won't look cute and minimal at all. The last app on this list is Nindash. It is a fast-paced action arcade game which deserves your attention. It has simple tap, slide and dash gameplay. You will face different levels of waves which you can defeat before they reach your territory, and the best part about this game is that it has fast pacing. You really have to be quick with your fingers to complete each level. I hope you have fun with this app. If you like this video, Please share and subscribe, and you may want to subscribe because there are some really amazing videos coming on this channel. Thank you.